Namaskar. I hope you have subscribed to my channel and enjoying the short videos. If not, there is a subscribe button and a bell icon. Please press that and you will be receiving my videos whenever I upload them. Today I'm going to share a story of a frog who fell in hot water bowl. So this story actually depicts the personality of any one of us who keeps things till the last minute. So once a lady was cooking dinner for her family and she had kept a pot on the stove. A small frog fell in the pot. I mean, unintentionally. That was not his intention to jump in the hot water, but he fell in the pot. And the gas was still at low, so the water was not troubling him, and he was just enjoying the warm water, and he adjusted his body temperature. After some time, the water started to heat up even more, and the frog again adjusted his body temperature, and he just lay there. And after some time, the water reached to a boiling point, and at this point the frog could not adjust his body temperature, and he tried to jump out of the pot, but he could not do it because slowly his body had adjusted to the water, and his energy levels were going down, and he reached that point where he had no more energy to just jump out of the pot, and he died. So this is what happens with us if we keep on delaying things till the last minute. We will not able to complete our tasks. We will get into trouble. So we have to take lesson from this story that we should not keep delaying things. Whenever there is an opportunity to finish something well within the deadline or well before the deadline, we must accomplish that. We must not keep things for the last minute, because last minute doesn't help anyone. It creates a lot of anxiety, and it creates a lot of tension to the person, because when he or she is trying to finish things within that deadline on the last day, things are not in our favor that time, because at times the online systems are not working, and there is a technical issue or something. Some things can go wrong. So it's always better to do things well in advance, and don't things lightly in life. So you also stay happy, stay healthy, and be regular in finishing your task on time. God bless you all.